Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you AirDroid Parental Control review. Is it worth it? Today, we're reviewing AirDroid Parental Control, also called AirDroid Kids, to see if it's really worth it. This app is a full-featured monitoring tool that lets parents manage a child's phone with screen limits, app controls, geofencing, real-time location tracking, and even social keyword alerts. It also includes advanced features like remote camera access, one-way audio, screen mirroring, and an appropriate image detection on Android. At just $10 a month or $60 a year, it supports multiple child devices and even comes with a free trial. Now, for the drawbacks, social media and chat monitoring can be hit or miss. Battery drain and log may occur during live monitoring, and setup is fairly complex with deep permissions required. Privacy concerns are also significant, with researchers flagging risks of hidden installation and spyware-like behavior. So the verdict: AirDroid parental control is powerful, budget-friendly, and feature-packed. Great if strict oversight is your priority, but surveillance-heavy approach and privacy risks mean parents should weigh control carefully against trust. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.